Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah gives you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are getting my latest videos. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet amigurumi doll free ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern, most demanding crochet collection. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful pattern, different designing. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful pattern, beautiful crochet romper wearing, crochet frock wearing ideas, beautiful hairstyling, beautiful amigurumi doll free ideas, beautiful dry pattern, most demanding crochet collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye. Please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.